Well, I do have to ask you, what drew you to the car to begin with, if you've had it this long?
It was a cheap project that I could talk my dad into letting me buy. And it turned kind of expensive and turned into a lot more time and money than I ever could have imagined. So it's been fun.
Yeah.
You know, it's made a lot of fun, made a lot of memories, have a lot of good friends that I made working on cars and just spending time trying to get it right.
Yeah. Yeah, they always take more time and cost more money than we ever anticipate.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Well, thank you so much, Brian. We'll go ahead and wrap things up, but thanks for sharing your car and the story behind your car.